know that there's a secret credit report that business lenders use to make all kinds of lending decisions about you that you probably don't even know exist? Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite. And in this video, I want to introduce you to the source that many of the credit issuers, lenders, suppliers, even the credit bureaus themselves get their information from. The source is called LexisNexis, and it's something you really need to know about because LexisNexis houses all kinds of information about you pretty much from the day you were born. So for example, some of the information that's on your LexisNexis credit reports includes every home that you've ever lived in, the building materials of those homes, the price that you paid for the home, the value of the home, the square footage of the home, the homeowners association details of every home you've ever lived in, amongst many other things, every email address you've ever had, every phone number you've ever had, every license you've ever held, such as a mortgage broker license, your marriage and your divorce records, every type of fine that you've ever had for traffic violations or misdemeanors are on there as well, every insurance policy you've ever had, every vehicle you've ever owned, okay, amongst many other things. So let me explain why this is a problem. I'll give you an example in my personal case. So we went to apply for the business loan through SBA. And when we got approved, we had a really odd stipulation that they wanted to collateralize my personal home to get the loan done. Well, this is an odd stipulation because the business actually had assets that could have served as collateral. Well, the problem was that they found two judgments on my LexisNexis credit report that unfortunately weren't even accurate. So I had to jump through all kinds of hoops to verify to the lender that these weren't accurate. The lender removed the stipulation and we were able to close the loan with a lot of time committed to do so without that being a stipulation to collateralize the home. And then of course we went to LexisNexis and cleared that information up so it never happens again. But this was a case where we almost didn't get the loan, and the loan was delayed by many weeks because we had to jump through hoops to prove a negative, prove that something really didn't exist that LexisNexis said did exist. This is one of many examples. And the reality is if you've been denied for a credit card, if you've been denied for a loan, personally or business, it's probably because of the information that's on your LexisNexis credit report. So I'm going to pull up, and you should have seen this video where I'll pull up some of the many things that are on this report that you should know of. Now, do you know what's on your Lexis credit report now? Well, get in touch with us at Credit Suite. At Credit Suite, part of our process is to help you access these credit reports that lenders and credit issuers use that you probably don't even know exist. For example, did you know that there's a third-party data warehouser that takes all bank information and puts it in one source? So when you apply for a Chase Bank loan, they see all the information that Bank of America has on you as well? They sure do. As a matter of fact, there's another credit report and score with check systems that just looks at how you manage your banking history. This is the kind of information that's used to make all kinds of lending decisions about you. So do you know how fundable your business is? Do you know if these things are in check? And if you actually have these reports to a point where you have the best chance of getting the most financing for your business? Well, that's what we do at Credit Suite. We help you figure that out, and we'll do a free fundability assessment for you at absolutely no cost. So give us a ring at 877-600-2487 or visit us online at creditsuite.com/consult. If you visit us at creditsuite.com/consult, you can schedule a free consultation. And during that consultation, we'll do a fundability check to dive into some of these things to see how fundable your business is. We'll also do a preliminary check with the credit bureaus like Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian to see how your business credit is. We'll even give you an idea of all the financing you can qualify for right now. So do you know what's on your Lexis credit report? Do you know how fundable your business is? Do you even know the types of financing that you can get available right now? Get answers to all of those things by visiting us online at creditsuite.com/consult and scheduling a time to talk more.